Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today I want to unboxing mini vacuum cleaner from Nikai. Let's get started. Okay, this is all the accessories. And then we have this one. Okay, next. Okay, this is the body of the vacuum cleaner. Wow, it's big. Unexpected. I'm thinking small. Actually, this is big. Wow, so nice. Okay. Next, what we got inside? Okay. Okay, this is the stick. This is the stick. We open it later. Okay. I will throw this all the box, all empty, nothing else, all empty. Okay, this is the manual instruction in Arabic. I don't need this. I will read this later. Okay, let's see the stick. We have a stick here. Wow, strong enough. And we have rubber here for the holder. Yes, for the holder and for lock here. Okay, next we have a warranty card inside this. This is the warranty card, so we will check this later. Okay, this is it. Mini vacuum cleaner for warranty 2 years. I will full assembly to you guys, and then let's see how it's work. Okay guys, I will start to assembly this vacuum cleaner with this floor brush, and this is brush tool, and this is crevice tool. So first I will try with the floor brush. Direct assemble with like this. Okay, and then after that I will put the stick here, the handles. I will put the handles here and I will lock it. Okay, exactly like this, and let's start to vacuum. Okay guys, now we have crackers here. I just try to make a demonstration how strong this is vacuum cleaner to suck all of this cracker from this table. So to make me easy, I will remove the handles because the handles make me so difficult to use. And then let's start it. Okay guys, it's working properly. You can see the crackers all inside. This is the dust chamber. The dust collector should be here. So they have also valve there to protect the dust. It's not came out the vacuum. So, and cloth filter. Yeah, we have cloth filter inside to filtering air, and dust bowl. This is they call dust bowl. This is work perfectly. Okay guys, I want to show you how to remove and clean the dust bowl chamber, and you have to do like this. First you have to remove the floor brush and then put it here, and then release button in here. You have to press it a little bit harder, and after that release. It's very simple and very practice. Okay, this is the filter, cloth filter. So if you want to release the dust inside, you have to pull out the filter like this. So this is it. This is the filter. So you can also wash the filter and clean the filter with the water, and you can make dry again, and you can reuse. And this is it. This is the dust all inside, and you can clean and you can wash it. Dust bowl. This is dust bowl, yes. Okay. Next, I want to show you how to use brush tool and crevice tool. Okay. Keep staying on my channel. Okay guys, first I want to use crevice tools like this. I just put it like this here with the lock. Don't forget to see inside. You can see the lock there, and push it. Yep. Okay. Now it's locked properly and strong, and you can start to clean the cracker again, because for now example I have only cracker, so we just try again. Okay, let's try. Ta-da! All clean, guys. Okay guys, next is brush tool. The brush tool you can use for clean something deeply, or something like already yeah, like carpet, like your sofa, like anything need to scratch, you can use this one. But again, I will explain to you, this only demonstration. I'm still using the same thing. I'm still using the crackers here. So I just want to show you even the cracker, and this one also can work properly, because you can you see inside the brush tool they have free area, so nothing's to hold or anything here, so anything will be sucked perfectly inside the vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's try again. Ta-da! Perfect! Okay guys, that's for all. This product is handy and easy to use, very portable. If you want this product, I can drop link down below. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. See you in my next video. Goodbye!